Welcome to Flippening, the podcast for cryptocurrency traders and investors. I'm your host, Clay Collins. Each week, we discuss the cryptocurrency economy, new investment strategies for maximizing returns, and stories from the front lines of financial disruption. Go to flippening.com to join our newsletter for cryptocurrency investors and find out why this podcast is called Flippening.
Clay Collins is the CEO of Nomics. All opinions expressed by Clay and podcast guests are solely their own opinion and do not reflect the opinion of Nomics or any other company. This podcast is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be relied upon as the basis for investment decisions.
So you're finally listening to episode number 1 of Flippening. It's great to finally be able to deliver this episode to you. There's been a lot of planning and painstaking work that has brought us here. It's been quite a journey. This podcast is for a new class of investors that, for the most part, were not part of the financial services world before Bitcoin, but came into the finance space because of their passion for crypto assets and distributed ledger technology. In fact, many of the people who are playing the largest role in building the new financial reality in the new financial world were disenfranchised by Wall Street and the financial elite, but now they're starting hedge funds, creating financial products, addressing the custodianship problem, starting liquidity businesses, founding decentralized crypto exchanges, and on and on and on. And in the upcoming episodes of Flippening, we're going to be having conversations with people doing all of these things and building the new financial world. Because believe it or not, the world's financial infrastructure is being rebuilt right now from the ground up, brick by brick. We're going to be having conversations with financial revolutionaries, economic heretics, crypto anarchists, and people who just think a few things could be done a little bit better. This podcast is for investors, by investors, and nothing else exists like this today. That's it for this week. To sign up for our free crypto investing newsletter, listen to other episodes, or get the show notes for this episode, please visit flippening.com. I also invite you to check out the startup that funds this podcast, Nomics, spelled Nomics, at nomics.com. Finally, if you get value from Flippening, the biggest thing you can do to repay us is to leave a 5-star review with some comments and feedback on iTunes, Stitcher, or wherever you listen to podcasts. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.